Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tecno. In today's video, I'll try to do the Asphalt 9 gameplay comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the POCO F3 GT device. So during this process of demonstration, I'm trying to use the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. And even I'm trying to use the real-time FPS meter as well, which is the floating FPS meter which is present in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, as you can see here clearly. And let me show you the notification bar. In the notification, you can clearly see here high performance mode is turned on. So before starting the game only, I did enable the high performance mode in this phone. So right now is the POCO F3 GT. So POCO F3 GT right now it's loading a little bit. And in the POCO F3 GT, I'm trying to use even the floating FPS bar, as you can see, which is present here, floating FPS. So both are having the same kind of floating FPS. Let's see. So what is happening is that in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, so we are getting only maximum 50 FPS while playing this Asphalt 9. I'm not sure, we cannot get the 60 FPS. So it doesn't matter what kind of high settings I am using in this Asphalt 9 game, but still I'm limited to only 50 FPS. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, in case if you have any other different method to increase the FPS to 60. But in the Asphalt 9, I cannot increase. Even if I choose performance mode, default or high quality, no change at all. If you don't believe me, try by yourself only the Asphalt 9 game, you will understand. So even I'll try to use the Pro Gamer mode as well. So Pro Gaming mode as well, any mode, as you can see. I'll try to start the gameplay, so then you will be able to understand what is happening. Because both phones, they are having the same kind of Dimensity 1200 chipset. So it should be kind of 60 FPS should be kind of same in both phones. That's completely weird why I'm not getting 60 FPS in the OnePlus Nord, and 60 FPS you can play in the POCO F3 GT without any kind of issues. So that is the reason I thought of doing side-by-side comparison, so you know exactly what is happening between these both phones. As you can see, friends, right now, clearly floating FPS, you will be able to see the clear difference with the floating FPS. Let me try to focus on the FPS meter. So right now I'm not focusing on the gameplay, so I'm trying to focus only on the FPS meter. In the POCO F3 GT, you are getting about 60 FPS, as you can see. But in the OnePlus Nord 2, you are getting close to 49 and 50 FPS. It's like limited. There's some kind of restriction is going on only to play at 50 FPS. It's behaving like that, the OnePlus Nord 2. I'm not getting 60 FPS, as you can see. You can clearly see the difference how it is in the OnePlus Nord 2 and the POCO F3 GT. Both are having the same kind of chipsets, but still I was unable to get that kind of thing. I'm not sure whether it will be able to fix or not. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, because I did try to use the high performance mode and maximum quality only. I'm trying to use high quality and high performance everything. So but still the same results in the OnePlus Nord device. But in the POCO F3 GT, no issues. In the POCO F3 GT, you are playing clearly with the 60 FPS. So that is the reason I thought of comparing both phones side by side, so you know exactly what is happening with this Asphalt 9 gameplay. As you can see, friends, clearly. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick video which I thought of just comparing between both phones, just demonstrating what is happening between both phones at this moment. So even if you use the high quality settings or high graphics in the OnePlus Nord 2, we won't be able to play at 60 FPS. I think it's kind of restricted to the 50 FPS only at this point. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll then straight up for more updates. And in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. I did try to use the Pro Gamer mode as well. Pro Gamer mode, everything is enabled, but still I'm not getting that kind of high FPS count. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll then straight up for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.